everybody, welcome back. It is National Pie Day and I decided to celebrate today by making some apple pie, but Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I figured why not make these super cute, super tasty apple pie roses. So they're super sweet, totally easy to make, and just the cutest thing ever. So let's jump right in. First, we're going to start with our ingredients you see here. Jumping right in, the first thing you have to do is slice up these apples. Make sure they're not too thin to where they fall apart, but just thin enough to manipulate. Once we have them all sliced up and ready to go, we're going to fill it up with some water and throw it in the microwave for about 3 minutes just to soften them up a little bit. Next, I'm going to coat my workspace in some flour so that my puff pastry does not get stuck, and then I'm going to roll it out. I don't have a rolling pin, but I have plenty of wine, okay? So you do what you can. Once you cut them into 6 equal strips, you're ready to go. We jump right in. Let's throw some honey in here. This is going to be our glue, basically. And then we're going to start carefully placing each of our apple slices. And we're going to put them about halfway through so that the skin kind of pops out. And that's what makes our little rose petals. So we're going to put as many as we can along the length of it, and of course sprinkle with some cinnamon sugar. And then what we're going to do is fold over the half of the pastry dough and then just roll it up until it looks like a rose. Once they're all wrapped up, in the oven they go. So there we have it. Like I said, super easy. Just be really careful that they don't burn because this puff pastry is a little delicate. Ready to dig right in because they just look so cute. Oh my, drooling over this. Oh my god. You've never had apple pie like this? It's like perfect. It's not too sweet. It's a little doughy, but who doesn't like a good doughy flavor? Good. Oh my gosh. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm taking all kinds of requests. There's so much food out there. I don't know what to make next. Just let me know. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Pie Day.